Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. Suffixes in English. Lesson 2. Adding IVE. What are suffixes? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word to alter its meaning or to ensure it fits grammatically into a sentence. Adding the suffix IVE to a root word or noun indicates a tendency, inclination, character, or quality. For example, conclusive. It can also be used to form a noun of adjectival origin. For example, detective. Let's see some examples of words using the suffix IVE. Compete, competitive. Alternate, alternative. Prospect, prospective. Act, active. Interact, interactive. Progress, progressive. Addict, addictive. Accept, acceptive. Effect, effective. Adapt, adaptive. Abort, abortive. Accelerate, accelerative. Abstract, abstractive. Conduct, conductive. Inform, informative. Create, creative. Express, expressive. Expense, expensive. Cooperate, cooperative. Figurate, figurative. Destruct, destructive. Interrupt, interruptive. Excellent work! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.